In industrial biscuit production, belt contamination is a common challenge. Dirt buildup affects baking quality, heat flow, and overall efficiency. To solve this, we developed BELTCLEANER 2.0, a standard mechanical cleaning solution for Steinhaus baking belts. Installation is simple, operation is continuous and nearly maintenance-free. Its toothed discs match the belt's mesh structure precisely and press out dirt before it hardens. Residual particles are then removed by the brush system for a fully cleaned underside. BELTCLEANER 2.0 by Steinhaus. Clean, efficient, reliable.